This is my main channel where I have over 100,000 subscribers. That's why I talk about YouTube tips. Let's get into it. Oh no, I forgot to put an end screen on my first video. Let's go put an end screen on the first video. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so this is the channel, Verified YouTube Guide. And we're going to talk about a couple of things, but I'm going to give you the tip and then let you know when I'm done with the tip. And if you want to stay for a little bit more, you can do that. So let's go into just me because I have one video that I did, and we'll go in here to edit video because we're going to add an end screen to it. Okay. So when you're uploading your video, this is the page that you see, the video details. This is the page that I saw when I first uploaded the video. But because it was the first video on the channel, I didn't have an end screen to add because there wasn't any other content. So I'm going to click on end screen. And I believe that because this channel is new, I only have a couple of options. I'm going to add, okay, well, no, I did have more options. I just don't have a lot of content here. So I'm going to show you how I did this. When you're starting from scratch, you'll have to add the elements manually. And then after you have some YouTube end screen set, then you can go in and just say, okay, import it from the last video, like you see here on the screen now. But let me show you how I did it the first time. So I had only one other video. So I clicked on video, and it gives you the choice of a most recent upload or the best for viewers. Right now, there are only 2 videos on this channel. So I'll say most recent upload for now. But usually, you know what? Actually, I'm going to do what I would do usually if this were like really just like my channel, right? And it is. But I would say best for viewer. And here's why. And you also can choose a specific video, right? I'm going to say best for viewer because I might have an idea of what the viewer wants to see based on the video that they're looking at. And then if they got all the way to the end of my video, then I have like a good, thought in my mind that they probably want to see a little bit more content from me. And I might have the right video in mind, but I only know what they're watching on my channel. YouTube knows what this person is watching all over the platform, so they might have a better idea of what the best video is on your channel for that person to watch. So you can also add playlists. As of now, I don't have any playlists, but we're going to talk about that at the very end of this video. Subscribe. That's the other thing that I'm going to select. That's what I selected on the other video. And so you see when I click the elements, they go right up at the top. You can have up to 3 elements on an end screen. You can also pick a channel. Now, if the channel is not yours, I wouldn't necessarily suggest it. So I could suggest my other channel, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it here with another video and a subscribe icon for now. And here's the thing. I can move these things around. If maybe there's something at the end of the video that's here that's important that I want people to see, I can scoot it over here. I can do the same here with the subscribe icon. They can both be at the bottom, or I can have them both on one side. You can move those things around, right? After you get them wherever you want them. So those, and then you save, and that's it. That is how you add an end screen. Now, if you want to stay a little bit longer, I have a little bit more information, right? So I have some notes here. So you see what your end screen is. It's just this customizable feature that runs for the last like roughly 15 to 20 seconds of your video. And you place it there for a lot of good reasons. Almost every option that YouTube has, you probably want to take advantage of it because it's going to help you in some kind of way. So you have the option to subscribe when you're starting out, which I presume that most of the people who are watching this channel are beginners on some level. Everybody wants to be monetized on YouTube, right? You need what? 1,000 subscribers. So let's say that someone is enjoying your content and they get all the way to the end of it. they're probably going to be likely to subscribe, but they just need that little nudge. So put a subscribe icon for them. So that's there. Then the other thing we also talked about is videos, right? So let's say that you're talking about something and it's a series, right? So you put up one video and then you might suggest, oh, well, here's the other thing in that series. So put that video up. Or maybe there's a video that's just kind of related to the thing that you're talking about. You think that it's something that that person might enjoy. And you can also use that as one of the options for the video. Or remember, there's always just let YouTube pick it, let YouTube select the best video. Now, if you want to be strategic about this and you already have a lot of content on your channel and you have some playlists on your channel, that's the way to go, because in addition to 1,000 hours, in addition to 1,000 subscribers, what else do you need? 4,000 watch hours. Now, you can suggest to somebody, hey, watch this video, but if you've got an entire playlist, don't you think that your watch hours are going to add up faster if you use your end screen to suggest a playlist over a video? And you can suggest multiple playlists. That's what I do on my channel where I have over 100,000 subscribers. I usually give them the option of the best video that YouTube suggests and 2 playlists that are similar to the content they're watching. It could even be that the video that they're watching that's new, I've added it to one of those playlists at the end of the end screen. So think strategically. That is my pro tip. Link playlists at the end of your end screen. All right. And I'll be back with another tip next time. I will probably need to show you how to upload a video because I haven't done that. So let me know if that's something that you want to see. If there is something else that you want to learn how to do on YouTube, just let me know, comment below, and I will keep these videos coming. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.